there, my name's Otter Totter, and I'm doing a sound profile test for the KBDfans Clicky Switch Tester. This has been unmodded, so it's the original case and keycaps that it came with, and I'm doing this just so that the information is out there. I'll be saying the names and highlighting the various switches that I'm on the program in front of you, which is CRITA. And without further ado, let's start off with the Gatoron Blue. Next, we have the Cherry Blue. Next, we have the Gatoron Green. Next is the Cherry Green. Next is the Cherry White. Then the Box White. Then the Box Heavy Pale Blue. Then the Box Jade. Next is the Box Navy. Then the Box Pink. Then the Box Crystal Jade. The Ink Blue. The Kyle Sherbert. The Kyle Speed Gold. The Kyle Speed Bronze. And the Kyle Pro Light Green. And there you have it. That's a sound test of the KBDfans Clicky Switch Tester. I hope this helped anybody who was curious about what they sounded like, and I hope all of you have a great rest of your day. Bye!